Cluck your way to savings. Raising chickens is rewarding. Not only do you get to enjoy the company of these delightful birds, but you also reap the benefits of fresh, organic eggs right from your backyard. Imagine waking up every morning to the sound of clucking hens and knowing that a basket of freshly laid eggs is waiting for you. It's a small joy that adds a touch of nature to your daily routine. Fresh eggs every morning are the best. They are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Plus, you have the peace of mind knowing exactly where your food comes from. However, keeping chickens does come with its own set of challenges, especially when it comes to feeding them. But store-bought feed gets expensive. The cost can add up quickly, especially if you have a large flock. Commercial feeds are convenient, but they can strain your budget over time. This is where a bit of creativity and resourcefulness can make a big difference. What if you could make your own chicken feed? By using ingredients you already have at home, you can create a nutritious and cost-effective alternative to store-bought feed. It's a great way to ensure your chickens are getting a balanced diet without breaking the bank. It's easier than you think. With a few simple steps, you can mix grains, seeds, and even kitchen scraps to create a wholesome feed for your flock. This not only saves money, but also reduces waste, making it an eco-friendly option. This is how you can save money. By making your own feed, you cut down on the costs associated with commercial products. Plus, you have the flexibility to adjust the ingredients based on what you have available, ensuring your chickens always have a varied and nutritious diet. You can give your chickens better food. Homemade feed allows you to control the quality and variety of ingredients, ensuring your chickens get the best nutrition possible. This can lead to healthier, happier birds and better egg production. Homemade chicken feed is simple. With a basic recipe and a few key ingredients, you can whip up a batch of feed in no time. It's a rewarding process that connects you more closely with your flock. You can mix grains, seeds, and kitchen scraps. This not only provides a balanced diet, but also helps in utilizing leftovers, reducing food waste. It's a win-win situation for both you and your chickens. This is a healthy diet for your flock. A well-balanced homemade feed can improve the overall health of your chickens, leading to shinier feathers, more energy, and better egg quality. In this essay, we will learn how to make chicken feed. We'll cover the basics, from selecting the right ingredients to mixing them in the correct proportions. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to create your own feed and enjoy the benefits it brings. Get ready to treat your chickens. With homemade feed, you'll see the difference in their health and happiness. So, let's dive in and start making your own chicken feed today. Happy hens, healthy savings. Store-bought feed can be pricey. Making your own feed saves you money. You control what goes into the feed. No more mystery ingredients. Fresh, whole ingredients are more nutritious. Your chickens will be healthier and happier. You'll notice the difference in their eggs. They will be tastier. They will be more nutritious. Start with a good quality grain mix. This is the base of your chicken feed. You can use wheat, corn, or oats. Add protein for healthy growth. Soybean meal, sunflower seeds, and lentils are good choices. Chickens need calcium for strong bones and eggshells. Crushed oyster shells are perfect. Don't forget grit. Chickens need grit to digest their food. You can buy this or offer them crushed eggshells. Section 4. Mixing Magic, your DIY feed recipe. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Making your own chicken feed can be both rewarding and cost-effective. Plus, you have full control over the ingredients, ensuring your chickens get the best nutrition possible. Combine 6 cups of grain mix, which can include a variety of grains like corn, wheat, and barley. These grains provide essential carbohydrates and energy for your chickens. Add 1 cup of soybean meal, a great source of protein that helps in muscle development and egg production. Next, add half a cup of sunflower seeds. These seeds are rich in healthy fats and vitamins, promoting shiny feathers and overall health. Finally, add a 1/4 cup of crushed oyster shells. This provides the necessary calcium for strong eggshells. Mix everything well to ensure an even distribution of nutrients. Store your homemade feed in airtight containers to keep it fresh and prevent any moisture from getting in. Keep it in a cool, dry place. This will help maintain the quality and nutritional value of the feed. Regularly check your stored feed to ensure it remains fresh and free from pests. This will keep it tasty for your chickens, ensuring they enjoy their meals and stay healthy. Happy chickens make for a happy farm. Section 5. Beyond the basics, supercharge your flock's diet. In this section, we will explore how to enhance your chicken's diet with a variety of nutritious and delicious options. By diversifying their food intake, you can ensure they receive all the essential nutrients they need to thrive. You can add other healthy treats. Chickens love kitchen scraps. These can include vegetable peels, fruit cores, and even leftover grains. Not only do these scraps provide additional nutrients, but they also help reduce food waste in your household. Feed them chopped greens, fruits, and vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are excellent sources of vitamins, while fruits such as berries and apples offer natural sugars and antioxidants. Mixing these into their regular feed can make mealtime more exciting for your flock. Offer them cooked rice, pasta, or potatoes. These starchy foods provide energy and can be a great way to use up leftovers. Remember, variety is key. A diverse diet helps keep your chickens healthy and happy, preventing nutritional deficiencies and promoting overall well-being. Provide your chickens with a balanced diet for optimal health and happiness. A well-rounded diet supports strong egg production, vibrant feathers, and active behavior. It's important to monitor their diet and adjust as needed based on their health and activity levels. Now give it a try. Start incorporating these new foods into your chicken's diet gradually. Observe how they respond and make adjustments as necessary. Your chickens will appreciate the variety and the extra care you put into their meals. You and your chickens will be happy you did. A happy, healthy flock is a joy to watch and can even improve your own well-being. The bond you create with your chickens through feeding and care is truly rewarding. Share your experience with other chicken enthusiasts. Exchange tips and ideas to further enhance your flock's diet. Building a community of like-minded individuals can provide support and inspiration for your chicken keeping journey.